AI influencers are taking over the internet right now. And honestly, most people can't even tell the difference between AI videos and real footage anymore. Some of these AI creators are already making thousands of dollars online. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're made. But before we start, just watch these ads for a second.
Okay, so the Canon Rebel T7. If you're just getting into photography, this is where you start. You put it on Auto Plus, it reads the scene for you, literally nothing to figure out. All right, royal red wine. Let me show you how this actually works. You want it slightly chilled, 20 minutes in the fridge before you open it. Not cold, just cool. You'll get cherry on the... Okay, actually weirdly relevant. Mode dial to AV. Set aperture to 3.5. Camera figures out the shutter, exposure, everything.
Pretty crazy, right? What's even harder to believe is that none of these required a huge production team, expensive cameras, or a massive marketing budget. Because now, AI can create entire product advertisements for you in minutes. And one of the craziest tools doing this right now is Higgsfield Marketing Studio hooks powered by Seedance 2.0. This tool can literally take a simple product image or even just a product link and turn it into a full AI advertisement automatically. You simply choose a product, pick an AI avatar, or even use your own face, and the platform generates UGC ads, cinematic commercials, short-form videos, product demos, and more. And yes, even the videos you're watching right now were made using it. The best part? It's actually way easier than you think. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process I use to create these AI ads from start to finish. Let's get into it. Once you open the Higsfield website, you'll immediately land on a page that looks like this. Scroll down a little bit, and you'll see a feature called Marketing Studio Hooks. Go ahead and click on it, but don't worry if you can't find it. I already prepared a link for you in the description and pinned comment. Once you click it, you'll notice it automatically generates a hook prompt at the top. Next, click on Settings. Here they'll show you Settings that set the scene. Basically, this is where you choose the background or environment for your video. You can select places like bedroom, airplane wing, nature, gym, bathroom, kitchen, street, office, car roof, train surf, and more. For my video, I selected office because that matched the type of ad I wanted to create. Then for the aspect ratio, I chose 9:16 because it's the best format for short form content like TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For quality, I selected HD 1080p, and for duration, you can choose videos up to 15 seconds long. I personally used the full 15 seconds. Now when you click on product, there are actually two different ways to add a product. The first way is by pasting a product link from e-commerce websites like Amazon, Alibaba, or others. The second way is uploading your own product image. So first, let me show you how to upload your own product image. You simply click here and upload the image you want to use. Once uploaded, you give your product a name and description. Then click Create Product. Done. Now your product is added. Click on it. Next, go to the avatar section. When you open it, you'll see lots of AI avatars you can use like Ken, Jaden, Stefan, May, and many others. But the best part is, you can even create your own custom avatar using your own face. Here's how. Click on Create Avatar. Now there are two options. The first one is Generate, where you type a prompt describing the avatar you want. The second option is Upload, where you upload your own photo. For this tutorial, I clicked Upload and added my own image. After uploading it, simply give your avatar a name. I named mine Ken, but you can choose any name you want. Then click Create Avatar. Done. Now your custom avatar is saved inside your account, and you can reuse it anytime for future videos. As you can see, it works just like the default avatars. Now once we select the avatar, everything is basically ready. One important thing, you'll notice the hook prompt is already automatically generated here. You can either click it to instantly copy it, or if you want to customize it even more, click Edit. Then you can rewrite the hook however you want and click Save as New Hook. After that, copy the hook prompt and paste it into the description section. Now everything is connected, the product, the avatar, and the hook. Then simply click Generate. Your AI video will start rendering, and boom, done. Take a look at the video we created.
All right, royal red wine. Let me show you how this actually works. You want it slightly chilled, 20 minutes in the fridge before you open it. Not cold, just cool. You'll get cherry on the nose, then a little spice at the back. Bordeaux grapes, there's a reason it hits different. 30 to 50,000.
And that's literally how easy it is. Plus, the video already starts with a strong hook that keeps people watching. It's honestly crazy how simple this is. Now let's switch from UGC to something else like tutorial. For this next example, we're going to use a product link instead of uploading an image. Click on Product. Now let me show you how to import products directly from e-commerce websites. I'll use Amazon for this example. Go to the search bar and type the product you want to promote. Since people can actually earn commissions using these videos through affiliate marketing, this becomes even more powerful. For this example, I searched for a camera. After searching, choose any product you want. I'll select this Canon camera. It genuinely looks like a real interview video. Click on it, go to the top, and copy the product link. Then return to the Higsfield website and paste the link here. Confirm it and wait around 10 seconds. Done. Everything gets automatically generated for you. Then click on the product. You'll notice the platform already created a full product prompt automatically. Copy it and paste it into the description area. Then click Generate. Your AI video starts rendering again. And done. Take a look at this one.
Okay, so the Canon Rebel T7. If you're just getting into photography, this is where you start. You put it on Auto Plus, it reads the scene for you, literally nothing to figure out. 24 megapixels, built-in Wi-Fi, shot transfers straight to your phone. Links right there.
As you can see, the video looks incredibly professional and already includes a strong attention-grabbing hook. Then you can simply Now tell me honestly in the comments, what do you think about these AI videos? Because this is getting seriously insane. So definitely try Higsfield yourself. You'll find the link in the description and comments. And honestly, I genuinely think we're entering a completely different era of content creation. Because brands no longer need massive teams, expensive cameras, or giant production budgets just to create high-quality advertisements. Now a single creator can generate UGC-style videos, viral short-form content, cinematic commercials, product showcases, and realistic AI influencers, using nothing more than a product photo, a product link, or a simple text prompt. And that completely changes the game, because businesses can now create content faster than ever before. They can test multiple ad creatives in a single day, launch campaigns instantly, grow multiple social media pages, and reach more customers without spending weeks filming and editing. That's why speed is becoming one of the biggest advantages online right now. And honestly, the realism of these AI videos is getting kind of scary. Most people genuinely can't tell the difference anymore. And when you compare the cost of tools like Higsfield to traditional video production, the value becomes absolutely unbelievable. So if you want to test it for yourself, check the link in the description. You can start with free credits and create your own AI ads in minutes. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI tools, workflows, and content creation strategies. I'll see you in the next one.